Okay, back again. Video number 3. I'm now in the boiler room. Um, this unit is pretty awesome. It's called a triangle tube. That is the main, basically, furnace right there that fires up and keeps everything hot. And then you have basically a big hot water tank that is integrated into this boiler system over here. This keeps this whole wing of the house, pretty much your hot water never dies. This thing like lights up in a hurry and keeps a constant stream of hot water. There is, for the bedroom wing, there is in that separate crawl space, there is a separate water heater, which we actually just purchased last year, so it's brand new. And learning curve with this thing, it's virtually maintenance free. But if you ever notice this little water relief tube here, if it starts filling up this bucket, that means that this unit right here is bad. This happened to me shortly after we moved in. I couldn't figure out what was going on. It's kind of hard to find people to service these, but went online, found a new one for like $100, put it on. I believe it's called an expansion tank. Put that in and water stopped leaking, everything's fine, running smooth. So this thing's virtually maintenance free and it's a great system. And I might as well just go on right now as far as like maintenance. This is it. This expansion tank is the key. So that's it. I have one more video and then I think we'll be good.